Hi there and welcome to another episode of CiaoBedBugs. Bedbugs can be a nightmare. These tiny, blood-sucking insects are a common nuisance in many households. But fear not, because we've got a natural and effective solution for you: essential oils. In this video, we'll see the 7 best essential oils that work for bedbugs. In first place, we have thyme oil. Thyme essential oil, enriched with compounds like thymol, ranks among the most efficient essential oils for repelling bedbugs. Thymol, a high compound of this essential oil, creates a herbaceous aroma that these insects find highly disruptive. Thyme oil can interfere with the transmission of bedbugs and their nervous impulses, leading to paralysis and eventual death. Thyme essential oil will also be effective when directly applied to bedbugs due to its antifungal and antimicrobial properties. Thyme oil is effective against bedbugs, although it works best in combination with other essential oils rather than on its own. For bedbugs, we'd advise you combine it with tea tree oil or peppermint oil. In second place, we have rosemary oil. Rosemary essential oil is extracted through the meticulous process of steam distillation. It starts with the harvesting of fresh rosemary leaves and stems, known for their aromatic and culinary significance. Rosemary essential oil, characterized by its herbaceous and woody fragrance, offers a natural means of repelling bedbugs. Chemical compounds within rosemary oil, such as eucalyptol, disrupt larvicidal activity of bedbugs. It can be used to target and control the larval stages of bedbugs by interfering with their development and growth of bedbug larvae and nymphs. Rosemary oil can also be used as an alternative for relieving the itching associated with bug bites and potentially preventing skin infection. Prior to use on the skin, it's important to dilute rosemary oil with a suitable carrier oil such as coconut or almond oil. In third place, lemon oil. Lemon essential oil is a powerful bedbug repellent. It's not just the citrusy aroma that bedbugs find unwelcoming, it's the specific constituents in lemon oil that do the trick. Compounds such as limonene within lemon essential oil have a distinctive citrus aroma that bedbugs find unpleasant. When used in the form of essential oils or as an ingredient in various products, limonene will act as a repellent, discouraging bedbugs from approaching chosen areas. Limonene also has insecticidal properties and is toxic to bedbugs when they come into direct contact. So you should directly spray onto bedbugs or areas where these insects can potentially pass by with a spray containing lemon essential oil. In fourth place, we have geranium oil. Geranium essential oil emits a floral bouquet with a subtle sweetness. Geranium oil possesses insect repelling properties, primarily due to its chemical compounds. Citronella, also found in citronella oil, is known for its ability to deter insects like bedbugs. Geraniol, a key compound in geranium oil, is a potent insect repellent that affects the behavior and sensory perception of insects. It affects insects by disrupting their nervous system and can lead to paralysis or death upon contact. That is why geranium is often used as an active ingredient in natural insecticides for pest control. And due to its anti-inflammatory properties, geranium oil can also serve as a remedy for addressing the symptoms of bedbug bites and providing relief from itching. In fifth place, we have orange blood oil. Extracted from the vibrant blood orange, it has a delightful fruity fragrance, but can also be used against bedbugs. Whether you apply the oil directly to your bedding area or use it in an oil diffuser, blood orange oil demonstrates its effectiveness in repelling bedbugs. However, you'll want to use it in areas of high bedbug traffic to maximize its power. The chemical compound limonene in orange blood oil will also help to disrupt the growth and reproductive capabilities of bedbugs. Orange essential oils' fragrance has the capacity to deter insects, although its effectiveness is often enhanced when used in conjunction with other essential oils rather than using it alone. Try to combine it with eucalyptus essential oil or lavender oil to yield a more potent repellent against bedbugs. In sixth place, citronella oil. Citronella essential oil, renowned for its usage in insect repelling candles, emerges as a promising bedbug deterrent. This herbaceous aroma is primarily attributed to compounds like citronella malol, and geraniol, found in citronella essential oil. These compounds have a natural ability to confuse and overwhelm bedbugs, making it difficult for them to navigate and find humans. Citronella essential oil, due to its fragrance, will also be a barrier that deters bedbugs from entering specific areas. Citronella oil will also be effective when directly applied to bedbugs due to its strong antifungal and antimicrobial properties. And finally, last but not least, in 7th place, frankincense oil. For millennia, frankincense has found applications in both medicinal and religious contexts. This aromatic substance is derived from the resin of a tree species native to the Middle East, India, and certain regions of North Africa. The essential oil is carefully distilled from this resin. Frankincense possesses potent anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, making it an effective remedy for alleviating discomfort and itching from bedbug bites. The anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties of frankincense oil are helpful in soothing the redness, swelling, and irritation caused by bedbug bites. And when these pests feed on human blood, their saliva contains certain compounds that can trigger an immune response, leading to inflammation and itching. Frankincense essential oil, when applied topically, helps to reduce this inflammation, reducing the redness and relieving the soreness and itching associated with bedbug bites. How to use essential oils for bedbugs. Bedbug DIY essential spray. To effectively use essential oils and insect repellents, mix a few drops with water in a spray bottle. The proper dilution ratio for essential oils when creating bedbug repellent solutions can vary depending on the specific essential oil being used. However, a general guideline for creating a bedbug repellent solution is to dilute the essential oil with water. A common dilution ratio is around 10 to 15 drops of essential oil per 1 ounce, that being 30 milliliters of water. You can enhance the solution by incorporating rubbing alcohol, which can harness its desiccating properties to effectively kill bedbugs on contact. Apply this anti-bedbug spray to your mattress, box spring, bedding, and along the baseboards in each room of your home. Be thorough, as bedbugs hide in walls and furniture. Don't forget to treat fabric-covered furniture as well. Consistency is key. Bedbugs can survive without feeding for a whole entire year, so reapply the spray regularly, ideally 2 to 3 times a week for a year, to address the issue effectively. Essential ointments for bedbug bites. You can also use essential oils to relieve itching from bedbug bites. For this, you can create your own ointment by adding essential oils to a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil. Then add around 2 to 3 drops of essential oil per ounce of carrier oil and mix the solution thusly, and then apply it to the bedbug bites. Safety precautions when using essential oils. Never use an essential oil undiluted directly on skin. A skin patch test should be administered prior to every first-time usage of essential oil. In any case, follow the manufacturer's instructions. Look for essential oils that are 100% pure and free from additives, diluents, or synthetic chemicals. The extraction method used for the essential oil can impact the quality of the product. Steam distillation and cold press extraction are common methods for preserving the oil's integrity. So in conclusion, essential oils provide eco-friendly and fragrant alternatives for addressing bedbug issues, and their effectiveness in disrupting bedbugs make them valuable components of natural pest control strategies. Even though there is a great potential of essential oils as a green and safer alternative for bedbug control, you should always combine it with multiple strategies for bedbug elimination, such as diatomaceous earth, encasing your bed, and interceptor cups. In the video description box, you'll find a compilation of the most effective and cost-effective products for bedbug issues. And for more information, please refer to our website, CiaoBedBugs.com. See you soon.